Back, we are going to compare and order some real numbers. So let's do that. So the steps we're going to use. First, we are going to convert all values to decimals. Real numbers can come in many forms. It's helpful to make sure they all look alike so we know what we're ordering. Once we know what we're ordering, we're going to order them, and then we're going to write down those real numbers in their original form. Let's see what these steps mean. So I have this example here. So I've got 1.5, negative square root of 2, 3/4, and the square root of 5. And I need to order these from least to greatest. Now, I'm going to convert all these values to decimals, and I'm going to use my Desmos calculator to help me do this. All right, here I am in my Desmos calculator, and I'm going to type in these real numbers. So the first number I had was 1.5. The next number I have is the negative square root of 2. I then had the fraction 3/4. And finally, I had the square root of 5. All right, so it's helpful to think of, well, first off, we look at these, they're really hard to compare as they are. So putting them in this Desmos calculator is helpful. It turns everything into decimals. And as I said in class, think of these decimals like money. So think of this as $1.50. Think of this as negative $1.41, and around $2.24. If we think of that, we can actually order these. So least to greatest, what's going to come first? Well, the negative value, right? I'm going to move that up. That's why I like this Desmos calculator. I can shift things around and order these things. All right. Next, let's see. I've got 1.5 or $1.50 or 75 cents. Well, 75 cents is less than $1.50. Then I've got $1.50 and then $2.24-ish cents. So these are now in order. So now all I need to do is go back over and write these in their original form. First value, the smallest value was the negative square root of 2, followed by 3/4, followed by 1.5. And lastly, we had the square root of 5. And we're done.